This field isn't a regular piece of land. It is scattered with the ashes of history, bearing scars of war. Its trenches were the last point for young British soldiers before they went off to France and Belgium to fight in the First World War.
Yeah, you round up a load of working class kids and you send them towards the machine guns and nothing really changes. These trenches show that isn't true, because actually a huge amount of time, effort and money was being spent on training these guys before they left.
The trenches south of London were discovered accidentally by a local military history enthusiast. It's a massive space the size of 17 football fields. The field is now being excavated by the Ministry of Defence's archaeologists.
This is hopefully a training feature that was used over several years in the war, probably one of those last bits of training before they go away, and therefore probably thousands of people use these sets.
Soldiers from Britain, Canada, New Zealand and the United States all pass through this area, close to the major naval base of Portsmouth, on their way to the front.